Conditional type 1. What is a conditional sentence? Conditional sentences are the sentences that have two parts. If clause, the condition, plus the main clause, the result. For example, if you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. If you don't drop the gun, I'll shoot. In the first example, if you don't hurry is the condition. You will miss the bus is the result. How many types we have in English? In English, we have 4 types of conditionals. We have the conditional type 0, the conditional type 1, the conditional type 2, and the conditional type 3. The conditional type 1. In a type 1 conditional sentences, the tense in the if clause is the simple present, and the tense in the main clause is the simple future, and it becomes if plus simple present plus simple future. For example, if you don't leave, I'll call the police. About its function, the one conditional is used to refers to a possible condition in its probable result. For sentences are based on facts, to make statements about the real world and about particular situations. We often use such sentences to give warnings. In type 1 conditional sentences, the time is the present or future and the situation is real. Examples: what will you do if you miss the plane? About the real world in future. If you drop that glass, it will break. Give warnings. If I have time, I will finish that letter. Particular situation. The order of clauses. As in all conditional sentences, the order of the clauses is not fixed. What does that clauses mean? It means the two parts that I have already mentioned. We have the first part, which is the conditional, and the second part, which is the result. Therefore, our sentence can start by the result, then the conditional, or by the conditional, then the result. For example, if I have time, I will finish that letter. I will finish that letter if I have time. As you see in the first example, you can start by the if clause, then the main clause. But you need to put the comma before adding the main clause. But in the second example, you can start your sentence by the main clause, then the if clause, without adding any comma, and the sentence becomes, I'll finish that letter if I have time. Can we use modals instead of will? Modals in conditional 1. In type 1 conditional sentences, you can also use modals in the main clause instead of the future tense to express the degree of certainty, permission, or recommendation about the outcome. For example, if he calls you, you should go. If you drop the glass, it might break. It may finish that letter if I have time. Now, let's see some exercises.